So we do appreciate there is the emergence of incidents of insecurity, but at the same time we want to assure the people of Kenya that the government is committed to sustaining the war against these criminals and to crushing and defeating them. So we are going to review the operational order that was issued last year, and we are going to now target new areas where we think bandits and other criminals, including highway robbers, are exploiting to hurt our people. And therefore, we'll be announcing new measures. Remember the last time we had a serious embarkment in terms of operational activities was 12th March last year, when we made the pronouncements from the Malaso escarpment early morning on 12th March 2023 on a Sunday. And that helped us. So we are there again. 1 year later, we are saying, yes, this is the journey we have traveled. This is what we have been able to do, but there still remains work to be done. And we are committed to completing the journey, however long it takes. I also want to bring to the attention of the country that the policy of this administration is to professionally deal with security issues, and therefore I want to repeat what I have said before from this county and from other affected counties, that we will not entertain any politicization of security matters. The commission of crime by criminals will be treated as such. It will be treated as commission of crime. Any person who commits crime is a criminal. It doesn't matter their religion, ethnicity, age, gender, or even status in society. Therefore, while we welcome the security team to work together with political leaders, especially elected leaders, we also want to ask the political leaders not to bring in politics in security matters. That is the only way we will defeat bandits and cattle rustlers. The moment we bring in political coloration, political characterization, we will lose the war, because bandits take advantage of those distractions to hurt our people. And therefore, the political leaders remain our partners. We will work with them. We will consult with them from time to time. I know some of them had some demonstrations here yesterday, and they are free, of course, to air their grievances and also to communicate the sentiments of the people they lead. But they are not free to interfere or to try and degrade the security operations and security programs of the country. And therefore, the consultations between security managers, both at the county level and the national level, and political leaders must be based on mutual respect for each other, and also the understanding that security matters are sensitive and should not be politicized. But we are not going to allow attacks, unwarranted attacks at security agencies, because that is unlawful, it is unconstitutional, and we cannot work on the basis of threatening each other or trying to degrade the selfless effort, the sacrificial effort of security agencies that we have seen in this area for the last 13, 14 months. It is unfair to try and water down, to try and insult the same agencies. We've lost even security officers in the process of fighting for the freedom and the security of the people of Samburu. We have lost NPRs. So let us be careful Let us respect each other. Let us work on the basis of mutual respect. And everybody must take clear from the criminal enterprise that is banditry, whoever it is. And we will not introduce political persuasions in the discussion about national security. Any political leader, whether they are from the government party or the opposition party, who steps on the live wire of interfering with the national security, we will take action, drastic action against those people. So that's where we are. So at the moment, we want to say we really regret at what has happened. As you're aware, it is not possible to have a police officer everywhere, all the time. And whenever we try our best to prevent occurrences, where occasionally, in rare cases, criminals succeed, we take action immediately. And we really regret what has happened here. We want to ask the people of Samburu to remain calm, and we want to assure them that we have gone back to the drawing board to plot and plan how we will seal the gaps to make sure that we don't have more loss of lives in this county and other parts of this region that have suffered insecurity. And please, let's be fair. It is proper for political leaders to defend the interests of their people and to air their grievances and even to complain against us, because we are not perfect, we are human. When we make mistakes, it is in their perfect right to air their grievances, but they must do so within the confines of mutual respect for institutions and office, because we also hold office. Just like the old political office, we also hold state office in a different capacity. And I would even encourage political leaders from not just Samburu, other parts of the country, to condemn crime, whether crime is committed by people from other counties or even people from the counties where they lead. Because it is true, we have criminals from neighboring counties who are terrorizing our people here in Samburu. But we also, in other counties, we have criminals coming from Samburu County who are terrorizing other Kenyans in other counties. So I would expect the leaders to condemn both. They must condemn foreigners, not really foreigners, but neighbors who are from neighboring counties, criminals from neighboring counties when they hurt the people of Samburu, but they must also condemn those few from Samburu County who venture into neighboring counties to also hurt other people who are equally Kenyans. We have also changed the personnel, as I am telling you, to bring in fresh operational strengths, capabilities and skills. And we are also going to add new formations, security formations in this area, especially to seal the routes and the gaps which these criminals are using. At the same time, we are going to gazette new areas which had not been gazetted in the past. And we are also going to launch a fresh, serious operation on the Malaso Valley, which is a source of violence for many people in this county. Therefore, once the legal instruments are in place, we will announce the new measures in the near future.